Hey there, I'm Courtney and welcome back to the Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar series. It's day 3 and today we are diving into feature layers. If you haven't already watched days 1 and 2, be sure to do so before diving in. And if you completed day 2's challenge, you can find the solution in the video description below. Now, feature layers are an essential component of GIS. They allow us to add, style, and interact with geographic data. Let's start by understanding a few basics before diving into the code. The data in a feature layer consists of geographic features such as points, lines, or polygons. Each represents a real-world object or area, like a city location, a river, or a forest. Features can have attributes describing them, such as name, size, or other relevant data. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to add and style a feature layer from an existing set of data that I found online. The dataset that I'll be using is a set of haunted places in the United States. I've started by downloading the CSV file. This file contains various attributes for our haunted places, including a description, location, and, most importantly, the longitude and latitude. To use this as a feature layer in my Esri Leaflet map, I'll need to create a new hosted layer. I can do this by going to my developer dashboard, clicking Import Data, and then selecting the file. From here, I'll ensure the coordinates are properly set and click Next. Then I'll check the types of all the attributes and click Next. And finally, I'll give it a title, tags, and description. Once I finish this, I'll be able to add this feature layer to my Esri Leaflet map by using the point layer URL. I'll go ahead and open up my map project from day 2. So far, I have a map with a custom styled base map, but it contains no data. To add my haunted places data as a feature layer, I will need to use the Esri Leaflet feature layer plugin and set the URL to my feature layer URL. I'll add it to my map, then open up my map in the browser and see all the haunted places. Now, we're almost done. I can take it one step further and style my points. There are many ways we could do this, but I'm going to use a custom icon to replace the default dots with a spooky image. To do this, I'll need to use the Leaflet point-to-layer function with GeoJSON and latlang parameters. Then I'll set the markers icon property to the spooky icon. I'll go ahead and add this to my map, open it up again in the browser, and see my custom haunted places. Now, your challenge for today is to style a feature dynamically based on some criteria. So, for example, all the haunted places in the southeast could be one icon, all the places in the northeast could be another, and so on. Get creative and definitely feel free to use your own data sets. And once you finish, share your creative maps in the comments below. And that wraps up day 3. Tomorrow we'll look at how to query, or in other words, show specific parts of different feature layers. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.